See how bright, nice that is.
Oh, that's pretty.
Now, Mother, I would like for you to look at the name of that. Look at the name of that.
Mom, look at
Oh, I'm sorry, she can't hear.
Oh, Josie is. Oh, look at that. How did you find that?
Oh, I don't know, I just got lucky.
That is cute.
Hey, Nina.
You got more?
This is Mother's birthday, December 4th, 2012, and she is a young 85 years old.
84.
84.
80, excuse me. Oh, I need to be spanked for that.
Ed Burgess is 95.
She is?
Still alive.
Is she really?
Yesterday.
Hmm?
Oh, puzzle.
I love puzzles.
Easy 300. Wow.
You see, it's adult, but
Thank you, Marty.
let me see the picture of it. Did you see the picture? Is that a pretty picture? Of course it's a pretty.
Easy grass.
Yeah, it's easy. See, it's easy. It's for adults to easy grasp.
Yeah. At your piece.
So you can pick it up easily.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you
did
do?
it?
Yeah. Do you still do puzzles,
Look at this.
Mother? Do you still do puzzles? Nina, would you ask her? I don't want to scream.
Mom, do you still do puzzles?
Huh?
You still do puzzles, right?
Yeah.
Let me see what.
This is from Kristen. We might have to finish this after. Or chili cheese on it. And the veggie on it. Excuse me. Here, take that.
Yum yum. It looks good.
Ketchup. Hot sauce. Ketchup. Okay.
What is this?